Good day guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ernest Mampana from the Sunfam FX Traders. Now on this video we're just going to do a market recap on what we can look for in the following week. So here we have GBPUSD opened. Let's not waste time and let's dive into it. If you're new, please be sure you hit that subscribe button because I'm going to give you value in this video, and also hit that like button, share the video, or even comment what you like to see. So on the daily time frame we have this type of a trend line. I'm going to change this to red. So we have this type of a trend line right there. I'm going to clone it and then put it somewhere right there. Okay, so on an uptrend we just broke out of this channel right here, so we are looking for possibilities to shoot further more up, or in the other scenario it might be this way. Might have this. Let me change this one to black so we are not lost, and then let me drag this one right here. So we have two scenarios here. First scenario being that the bigger channel just broke out of the bigger channel, and then now we are looking for buying opportunities because it went up here, came back to retest, and then now we're shooting back up. The other scenario may be that in the smaller channel we are looking for selling opportunities. Scale down to 4 hours. Just going to be quick on this video. So we had live session yesterday. People who are in my signal group had a chance to communicate, and we scaled down these pairs, discussed about them, and it was a very successful session. If you are interested in joining the sessions, you can hit me up. Check the link in the description, and then yeah, you can join the Telegram group. Let's not waste time, let's continue. So we are seeing this channel also again right here. We are seeing this channel also again. There's this type of a channel right here on a 4-hour time frame. So on a 4-hour time frame we are looking for buying opportunities as well. You see the market was successfully broke out of this channel. Now we're looking for retest and then shoot back up. On the other scenario, I can also expect something of this nature, which this is the left shoulder, and then this will be the right shoulder, I mean the neckline, and this will be the head, and this will be neckline again, forming the right shoulder right here, and then we shoot back up right there. So this is the kind of trades we are looking forward to. So we can looking for this type of trades right here. Now I'm going to quickly draw my zones. If you're enjoying this video so far, be sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Hit that like button and also comment down below what do you think about this trade. So as I'm scaling down, you see that we have the impulse move to the downside, and then we have this kind of this also. So we may still look forward to go down a little bit before we shoot up, or we can even get to this point and then shoot back up. So we are waiting. Should the market reach this point right here, meaning our entry will be somewhere right here and our stop loss will be somewhere right here. We will keep on holding this pair up until this point right there. So we are just waiting to see what will happen once the market opens. Now let's dive into NASDAQ, of which is well known as NAS100, US tag, and other names. So here on NASDAQ daily time frame, I can see that we are still continuing shooting up. You know, we see the first touch, second touch, and then here's the third touch. So with NASDAQ, I'm very much confident on taking buys more than sells. That's just how it is. I'm not saying that this market shouldn't be sold, but all I'm saying is that we're aiming high returns on buys more than on sells. So currently the market is shooting up. You can see here is the higher high. Just do this. Here's the higher high. Now let's switch to 4 hours. So we are still maintaining that higher high there, and then here's the low, our current low. At this price, we can see that the market been going down, shooting down since the 16th of February up until somewhere right here, the 5th of February, 5th of March. Yeah. So currently we are looking for buying opportunities. As you can see, there's nothing much we can explain. You can see by your eyes that the market been shooting up ever since. I'm simply just going to adjust this. Can have something like this, or let me just start here by drawing this. So yeah, let's switch to 1 hour time frame. Let's not waste much time. So right here currently you can see that we are aiming for buying opportunities. You can have this. You can have something like this, where we are expecting the market at least to shoot down first. Is the market to come at this point first before we can actually continue going up. Before we can continue going up, we are expecting something like this. So here would be my entry right here. Should the market come down, I'm going to enter somewhere right here and then aim for this one right here. While we were during our live sessions, we confirmed that this could have like multiple entries. Like we can enter here and then take your first profit somewhere right here. But should the market continue going up, and then we're going to enter somewhere right here and still keep this trade up there. So yeah, everything is been sent to the group, so I suggest you go check the analysis on the group, and then if there are any changes, we are simply going to communicate in the group. So I suggest you check the channel group the Telegram group right now. So this is what we are seeing on NASDAQ. All the setups will be sent in that Telegram group. So this is what we are currently seeing on Nasdaq. So we just did a GBPUSD and also Nasdaq here on YouTube. For more setups, check the channel, the Telegram group. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, these videos are just for educational purposes and not for real trading scenarios. I'm not going to be held accountable if you are losing any of your funds because of any setup that I'm posting right here on YouTube. This is just to guide you or just to show you what I'm seeing on the market. Lastly, let's look at GBP/JPY. So it's been going up and we are still going to continue with the trend. If the market still goes up, then we go up with it. If it decides to go down, then we are going to simply look for different setups. On GBP/JPY, this is what we are seeing. Nothing much, nothing hectic. This is what we are seeing currently, and we can see that it has this zone again right there. Don't ask me why I'm having this line in the middle of the zone. So GBP/JPY, we are still waiting for the market to come here, either at this trend line or fake breakout at this point right here, before we can continue buying. But should there be any case where the market will break out at this trend line and also at this support line, then we are going to reanalyze this pair. Maybe I'm going to reanalyze at this point right here. Market might still come back to retest at this level once again. Market might still come back to retest at this level. So we are still waiting to see actually what would happen. If market gets here, and then it means we're going to have like buying opportunities right here again. That's what we are expecting, since we are in a bigger uptrend channel. So this is what we are looking forward to trade the next week. If you've made it up until this far, then thank you so much. I really appreciate your support. Be sure you hit that like button and also subscribe if you haven't subscribed.